Hayes GT3 Gas Torch. It comes with 3 interchangeable tips. It's got your standard connection, so it fits onto your propane or your map bottles. It's got an on and off on there, so you can lock it when it's off, so that you don't have any accidents in van. And then if you want to turn it on, turn that on. Adjustable tip on there, so you can turn it up and down. We'll just put the super wide tip on, so we'll just screw that on. We'll try the super fine one as well. Which tip would you use with these? Be interesting to see what other people use. But that's it, that's your Hayes GT3 Gas Torch. It looks really good. This is what I'm going to be using now. If you've got any questions, please put a comment below.